Okay, so I think, yeah, I'm trying to record this one so that whatever we discuss right now. Hey, Brianna, good morning. Good morning, girls. Thank you for spending
I
the
was
time. Thank you for really spending the time right now. Hey, Camila, good morning. I really appreciate your time today, although it's a holiday. So I'm recording this one so that those that are interested to do some layout and they could not attend right now, at least they have an idea. All right, so let me start. I'm going to present my screen so that whenever there are steps that we need to, you can actually follow it. Okay. All right, so I'll just transfer our video on the other side. Okay. First things first, I'm going to share to you, let's say, do you know your username and password? So I'm sharing it to the screen. Take note of this one so that you have an idea next time around whenever you sign in. It's right there. Nikki, you're interested to do the layout for volleyball, right? Correct?
Yes.
All right, and for you, Brianna, football,
Yeah.
and then Camila for swim.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, now you know what I like about it because you are into that sport, so at least you have an idea, what the page should look like. For Brianna, she's been covering it for 2 or 3 years now, the football. So now is your time to really, show what you got in terms of doing the layout for it. So here, these are your password and your username. So your username is your ID number. I did not put there. And then I created passwords for you. So take note of that. Brianna, do you still remember your login information?
Yeah, mister.
Okay, that's good. Now I want you to open a tab and then search for it. Search for Balfour. So BAL or StudioBalfour. STUDIO StudioBalfour.com. And then it will take you there. Or I can share to you this one, the link. I'll put in your chat box so that it's easier for you to just locate it. Right there. Okay, so when you're there, let me know. So start putting in your username and then your password. So mine is that one. Yes, Brianna, you want to say something?
No.
Okay. Yeah, this will go so fast. And then after you know the basic of this one, all right, I'll let you, do whatever you have to do. And then it's not necessarily today, but if you don't have anything else to do, why don't you, today you explore?
Mister, how do I go to the 2021?
Oh, so click on that on top. Do you see that? Because
Yeah.
that was from last year, so 2020, and then you go now to 2021. Click on that on top, and it should take you there. Are you signed in, Nikki and Camila?
No, Mr. Not yet. It says invalid password.
Oh,
And
so that's your password. If not, maybe I forgot to put one. Try which one.
I got it.
Good.
It just needed the one.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, I messed up with that. It should have one. And then Nikki, you were able to log in? Correct.
Yeah.
So here. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to launch this one because Studio Balfour has a new app which we call Launch the Encore. So we click that and it should take us there. So that's what you're looking at the screen right now. Let me know if you're there yet. So skip this one because it's supposed to be my work, and I think I've done this one and the pages for that. So skip it and then just click or hit that button and skip setting setup. You don't have to do that. So it should take you to this page where you get to see this icon. Now that we're here, these three icons will be the most important things when you do the layout. This one will take you to the pages. So it should show you this one. These are the things that I have created already. That one. And for swim, Camila, I want you to create your own flavor, your own style in that. So Yeah, let me know first if you're there yet. Okay? And then you will know, let's say, which page you belong. Look, right here. I think Pam shared it to everybody. The ladder diagram. It says yearbook ladder diagram page assignment. Don't worry because it will be my job to assign it. So we start the sports page from 40. Yeah, from 37. Let me check on that because it might be a different. Yeah, they have to be paired, meaning like one spread. So Pam assigned that one from pages 36, 37. So you start there. This one. Oh yeah. So Camila, maybe you can start here. Do create your own swim final. Oh, it should be right here. So football after swim, and then 40, 41 would be volleyball. So I really encourage you girls to really give your best because if you want to put your name below the page that you're the one that did it, we can do that. So,
Mr. By when do we have to finish the page?
don't rush up. We still have until January 6th for our 66 pages. But can you imagine? We need to. So far, I have only, let's say, 4 pages, and we need to beat that deadline on January 6th. So if you can finish it before Christmas break, or even during Christmas break, if you have nothing else or nowhere else to go, I'll be very appreciative about that, girl. So we got 2, 4, 6. So we got 10, but we still have like 54 pages. But don't worry, my schedule this trimester is kind of like, a little bit more relaxed. So I can do some of the pages. That's why I'm saying, if you finish this one, maybe you can take some other pages to work on, right? So that we can, really beat the deadline. I'm really hoping that, there will be some more. Don't worry, I'll give you like a huge favor. If you're really working with the pages, I can give you discount. Let's hope until $50 for those that are really working so hard. Now, going back. Now, the next thing that we have to do, girls, is look. Since we have assigned this one for you, like in different pages, so it's now for you to fill it in, right? Now, the best thing that you have to do is like when you click it, it's blank, right? What's good about Balfour Encore data is there are prepared templates for you to just follow. So just click on that, the library. I'll click on it, that button, and it will show you different templates. So for example, if you want to choose from that, there. So it's your choice now which template you're going to use. So there's for division, there's a lot of different designs. Really good, really good. Now, for example, if you want to use that one, because but be careful with this one because look, it needs to have, let's say, if I try that one, so click on that and then apply, and it takes you there. So all you need to do is like these are templates that are like ready made for you to to just fill it in. So for example, if you get a picture, like if you have uploaded the picture, then it's easy for you to just like, okay, this is the picture where I'm going to like put it here or there. So and then these are called headlines because you're going to create a title for that, and you just have to edit it. So just copy that. I mean, like delete that. And then you can change and then whatever you want to put it there. Or say, for example, you want to get a quote from each senior. Like, for example, this will be picture for Nikki. You just get a picture and then put it there of Nikki. And then you can put a quote which one Nikki made. And the good thing about this is you can actually transfer them. If you don't like this one, then like you can delete that. And then have this one extended because you want it bigger, right? All right, there are actually prepared templates, so I don't like the kind of arrangement, so I want to put it right there. This one's at the middle so that I can see the balance. I know that you're very creative. I know that you have your own style. What I'm showing to you right now is something that basic, so you can play with it. Like for example, this one. But Mr. I don't know how to Photoshop or create, like, I want to have, like, for example, Nikki is standing holding a ball, and then, for example, that's going to be the picture that I want to put there, and then another would be, can you name any of the player that you know, Nikki, in your team?
Karime.
Oh yeah, Karime will be here, and then the other player right here, and then yeah. So go ask people coming from how to say the graphic design class, or anyone that you know who knows how to do a Photoshop, and then have the picture of the person without the background. So I can do that a little bit. I mean, we'll try. Give me the picture, and then I can send it to you if you want. But like for example, like what I've said, it's if you don't like this, so just click Control A, and then it highlights everything, and then you can actually clear the spread if you want, or you can delete everything. All right, and then get another template that you wanted. So for sports, there are different styles right here. So it depends now on what kind of style you want to work on or design. There's a lot. I'll tell you, there's a lot of really great designs right there. Okay. And if you want to do some portraits, say for example, we're gonna take anything right here. Let's say the portraits, like for example, for senior quote. I don't know who is anyone of you assigned to that or part of that. No, but actually you can help them.
I am.
Oh yes, Camila, great.
Yeah.
So if you want to choose a portrait, there's a lot. So say for example, in the portraits or the senior quote, that's one thing you can put there. There, and then put the picture and then their quote right here. So it's so easy. But it says 9th grade though. You can't do that. Or maybe you can change it. Yes, you can change it. You can put their senior quote. The good thing about this is, guys, girls, you can actually just, if you don't like this kind of template, so you can create for your text right here. Click on that, and then put, drag it, so they can put the text for it. So, for example, you want to do something about senior quote, and then you can just make this one bigger, look bigger. Go to this tool. This is more of advanced now, but I'm just showing you that you can do it. So say for example, font, you can play with it. So you can have it like until 7 and 2, or maybe the largest like 23. But here's the thing, if you don't like that, then you can just delete it, right? Or just always remember Control Z. If you have an Apple, I don't know how to use it, like maybe Control Alt Z. But in my end, I have only PC right here, so I can just change everything. And then if you want to add a picture, same thing. I don't like this, let's say, layout, so I want to create a picture here. Drag that, and then you can put background for it. So why don't you try right now? I'm gonna again Control A for highlighting everything. All right, if you're having trouble, just let me know. So Control A to highlight everything, and then delete if you want to delete that. Control S every time you do something, save it. Control S, because it's just, you can just edit it out, and then we'll just go back to the template again. All right, so that's just an example. So I want you to work on your page right now. Find a, let's say, go choose a template that you want to work on. Just as an example, we can actually change it, to be honest. So yeah, work on that first. Brianna, you locked it in? I can't. Did you use my information, Brianna?
No, I'm on Camila's.
Okay, so work on your own page, and then let me see what you have chosen. And then the next part is Camila?
I have to go, so can I do it some other time?
Oh, sure. Yeah, you're leaving right now?
Sorry. Yeah, I have to go to Tucson.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for, at least you have an email,
Alright.
say, and then I'm recording this so I can send it to everybody.
All right, thank
Right.
you.
Thank you for your time. You take care, Camila.
Bye, thank you, you too.
Bye. So you decide which template and then show it to me. And then the next part is very exciting. Why? Uh, like the template that you have chosen, I think I have uploaded the photos. So I'm gonna show you later how it's done, and then you can just start like playing with it. To be honest, you can, you know, if you're very used to it, you can just finish this one within an hour. Yeah. Choose your template first, and then do you know how to share your screen and then show it to me? I'll put this one back. There's a lot of choices of templates to choose from, huh? So probably you're having a hard time doing that. Have you chosen anything, Nikki? Brianna?
I'm still looking for one.
All right, just an example. You can actually, like what I've said, you can just delete that. So you're given how many more weeks to do that? So that's totally okay. All right, let me know if you have chosen already your template, and then we can start adding up photos. Let's say mine, I'm gonna choose another one. I don't like that. So,
Mister, do you want us to add pictures to it already?
yeah, don't worry because
Or just the
yeah, right now. Yeah, just the template, and then we're gonna add pictures. Like very, like just an example for today, so that you can have that kind of experience. All right, you want to share your screen? Let me see what Nikki has chosen. All right, I'll stop first, and then you share yours.
Okay. hold
No,
Is it sharing?
no. Maybe you have to click the screen first, and then where it says when it turns blue. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
click the screen first.
Okay, now you can see it?
Yeah, pretty much. I see my face. All right.
Okay, so
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I like that. Nice. So, right,
yeah,
perfect.
just that.
And then, yeah, but I mean, that's just an example with the different photos that you'll see on your assigned to your page. Maybe if you want to change the layout, or that. Here's the point, girls. Who buys Yearbook? People that have their faces on it, that are interested, right? So the more photos, the more people that you include in the page, that's more saleable. You know what I mean? You can attract more buyers, and basically that's our point. And not just like that, but to highlight also the seniors. Despite the pandemic that we have, you still have that chance to show everybody that you have done your season, right? So think about it. Like when you start choosing your template, the more the merrier. Even the freshmen and the JV team, if they see that, oh, okay, I have my face on it, so I'm gonna buy it. Right? So we need to have sales as well. All right, thanks, Nikki. That's a good job. I like that. But this is just for example, though. And Brianna, have you chosen yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna start, but I'm gonna move the pictures around and stuff.
Okay, no worries. Just pick a template and then show it to me. Present it. So go to the tab of Encore. Yeah, that's a good one. I like that. The only problem with that is it doesn't have, let's say, box for the text, so you can create it. Do you see that letter A? Like on your left of your screen, where so click on that, and then try to put it somewhere you want to put it. For example, right there. So drag, and then there you go, perfect. And you can start typing the subtitle, the headline. You know what I mean? So that's another thing you need to consider when you choose a template. All right. So all right.
Okay.
So great. Yay! So we can have, let's proceed now. There you go. Thank you. Oh my God, it's like a sigh of relief to me, girls, that it will not be only me who will be doing the layout. So at least I have people to share it with. So next, yeah. So it's now our turn to put something in this, right? Let me just use this one. Maybe I'm going to use this page. So when I click on that, all right, I'm going to use my, let's say, random pictures, or I wanted something that has a text, because so that I will not be, be having a hard time doing it. So right there, just click apply, and then I have the text. All right.
Can you share your screen?
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Oh, okay. Sorry. So for example, like what I've said, this was the how to say it, the template that I've chosen. Let me just, because on my screen right here it's too big, so I can't see everything. I need to, yeah, there you go. That's a good view for me. Now, the most important icons here are this one, the pages, the photos, and the library. Now, I really put there, look, because sometimes there might be photos that you want to upload. So what I did with you, Nikki, is I uploaded everything already. But for Brianna, there are pictures that I haven't uploaded it here yet, because that's really my purpose, for you to know how to upload. When you click on that, swim, Annie or Nikki, you'll see that there are different photos, right? So if you have already uploaded the photos on that particular specific collection or topic, it's easy. So for example, let's take, oh, you're valuable, right? I'm sorry. So there, valuable. All right, so click on that valuable without the names, because this is blank. I'm sorry for that. So if you wanna, where's that? I got a really good picture that I uploaded last night. There you go. Which one is varsity? Right there. So when you click on that, click here, add to the page, the photo that you've chosen, and it would be right here. Let's say that's the biggest photo I want to put there. There you go. So again, go to your file where you assign it for your collection. Click on that valuable collection. Pick a photo that you want. Let's say I want something in action. Let's say that one. So click that photo, add to the page, and assign it where you wanna put it, right there. There you go. And then from there, look, I think this is a good template, Nikki. Like for example, you just wanna put like senior photo here, like, what do you want to say for your graduation? Let's say, who do you want to thank? Maybe you can, if you don't want to put here, delete that, and then we can change it, because like probably there are a lot more seniors. So just right click, copy, and then paste, put it right there. So that, like what I've said, the more people who would see their faces on the yearbook, the more interested they are to buy it. You know what I mean? So include everybody. I mean, as much as possible, right? Even like to the smallest picture, like a group photo, include them. But don't lose also the artistic side of it. It should be artsy at the same time, and it should be connected to the theme that we have for music. Try doing it like from the template that you have chosen. Start uploading the photo. But for you, Brianna, before I proceed, let me just do this one. There are photos coming from your phone, right? Or from the camera that you have. So I don't know how you transport that one or transfer that one from your phone to your port, from your camera. Like, you get the SD card, put it to your computer, save it. Now, here's the thing. Look, sometimes what I do, if it's from my phone, so I send it to my own email, and then I download it from there, and it should save in my computer. So like for example, this one, Brianna, I had uploaded a bunch of this one, but they are from my phone because that's what you sent me, right? So you have to download it from your email, and then you have to label it Say, for example, I'll put FB football 1. I'm just showing you before you proceed because there might be some photos that you want to include more. So let me check on that. No picture. Oh, there you go. These are the photos that you have sent to me, right, Brianna? Correct?
Yeah, that was from their practice.
Okay, good. So I want to do it. I just want to show you, girls, how it's done. Download it, label it, because I think this is very important as well. Because there might be some photos that you want to include more. So for as long as you know how to label them, and then, right, so it's close to FB1, FB2, so that it's easier for me to just transfer it. I will just continue this one for you, Brianna. So we'll take those FB1, FB2, FB3. Going back to Encore, you'll be the ones to upload the photo. Right here, look. So click on that camera, and then this plus sign means that you need to include or add more. So here, click on that, browse. Where did you save that file? So if it's from your download in your computer or from the picture, just locate it, right? You know how to do that. Go to download, go to the photos or files that you have created. Yeah, there, so that it's easier. Look. So when I click on those 3, you can actually upload all 3 of them all together. So when I do that, open. Now here's the crucial part of this one. You don't want to put those photos anywhere else. So for example, you haven't created a file or collection for it yet, so you're going to add. But in this case, we have already put there football, right? So click on football here. Because I save everything, Brianna, without the name. Are you okay with that? Just go to this file, not with that, because there's no photos on that file. Yeah. So go to this one and then upload. There you go. If your computer is fast in uploading, it should take you there. So done. So you have uploaded 3 photos on it. And then go to that file, and then it will show you that those 3 pictures that you need are part of it. So far, Brianna, there's 5. I'm going to add more while you're doing the work. Why don't you go to the pages you're working on now? Let me just clear this one out. Okay, and go to your page and work on that. Again, how do you do that? From your sample page, choose a template, which you did. For example, let's do that one. Add to the page. Right there, click on it, apply. Start uploading the photo from your collection. Go to photos. Go to the collection name or file name. Go to valuable and then choose the photo that you think would suit the specific photo on the layout that you want. So for example, let's take this one. Add to the page. This one is kind of like elongated, so probably this one is suited here. There we go. So you can adjust it. If you don't want to add that one, you can actually crop it and then just transfer. You can actually transfer everything right here if you don't like that kind of style. All right, so do it. Give me an example, and then I think we're good. So we haven't even reached like an hour to do this. It's so easy. All right, so do your thing and then show it to me. Just an example, maybe 1 or 2 photos. All right. Oh, I'm so glad that you're here. Really appreciate your work. You know what? Last year I had difficulty because I'm using a different app. And then I realized this year that it's going to be easier if you just use the template that's provided. Why do you have to, make yourself suffer if there's an easier way, right? By the way, Brianna, these are really good photos.
Thank you, Mister.
Even if it's a holiday, the bell still rings right here. Sometimes it scares me. All right, you want to share your screen? When you're ready to share your screen, then I'll be glad to see it. You don't have to impress me right now because we're just, practicing. It's fun, huh? Especially when you really like what you're doing. I'm pretty sure Nikki will be enjoying doing the layout because it's her team. Yeah, I know that you worked hard from last year. Who did that layout from last year?
Me and Kelly we had told you our idea,
Mm-hmm.
and then we had went on there and everything was changed.
All right, correct. So maybe that's their yearbook. They're senior, so let them be. Now it's your turn. That's why I'm giving you the spotlight to really work on this, because I want to see a little bit of your flavor in this one. I'm gonna switch my screen now, and then you show me what you have initially started. Who's gonna do it first? Nikki?
Mister,
Yeah.
okay, so I thought we were just gonna put like the template on there, and then we were gonna be done with like putting that stuff. So then I deleted it, and well, now it's like taking forever to load the templates.
Okay. Yeah. No problem. Not a problem. But you know how to do it now, right? To put photos.
Yeah.
Good. Well, Annie, don't be shy. Whatever you put there, that's I will appreciate it. During Thanksgiving, if you have nowhere else to go, or you can start playing with it.
Okay, I'm gonna present. Hold on.
Sure. Oh, perfect. Nice.
Okay,
Great.
that's what I.
Oh my God, Nikki. So, I mean, this space, can you go up a little bit? Okay. Now, you know what? Here's the thing. If it's a photo, it's hard for you to, how to say that? Like put the text. Like, because I really wanted, for example, this one, maybe we can put the title here with the background. So if you are on that, yeah, right. So you can close it down and then go to that. Yep, the headline. You can maybe put it up. You can actually look. There are borders. Look, there are borders, right? Border lines. Do you see those surrounding the page? Right, on that red one, and then there's a line in between. Sometimes you should not extend more than that, but I don't see it a problem if your picture extends outside that. That's totally okay. Right, so the headline, maybe if you want to drag it above it, like a little bit higher, great. Oh my God, that's really good. Really good. Nice. And then you know your statistics, right, Nikki? Maybe you can highlight something for your freshman team that they've won. Like, they just lost one game, right? So you can put their group photo as well. But Nikki, consider, like what I've said, consider more people to be included in that page. It's good that you highlight the varsity right there, which is really good, and I love that photo. But there are a lot of photos for you to choose from, even in your senior night. You know what your genre of the song is? Maybe you're so excited.
Yeah, it was.
Let me check on that.
It was.
It says Valbo Sweet Carol. Yeah, let's say from Spotify. Nice. Or maybe you can use any of, be creative with this, like how you make your essay. Maybe you can get a line from Sweet Caroline that would describe your team as a group, why you like that song. And talk something about your coach as well, all right? And pay tribute to your former coaches as well. Don't forget them. All right, so we're good.
Right.
Oh my God, I'm just so happy right now. I'm just so happy right now that we were able to really do what we have to do. So I really thank you. If there's anything else that you need, and when you reach this part that you want to put some artistic style in that, let me know. And then, or you can do it in your own if you want to explore it. Like what I've said, these are the properties for that. I know you're very smart to do this, right? Before we end, is there anything else that you want to ask from me? Brianna? Nikki?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. So I'm just really glad that you came today and showed up. I really appreciate your time. So now that you have an idea on how to do it, start working on it. Just take your time. I'm not rushing you up. But we have to consider also that we need to have 66 pages by January. All right, so I think we got a great day today. Thank you. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Whatever you need to do for your other class, do it because that's more important. Just whenever you have time, please don't forget about doing the layout. All right?
Bye, mister.
All right, thank you. Appreciate that. Bye. So that's it. Oh my God. I made it. Thank you.